Which 4G security camera with a SIM card is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 options that really stand out. Product number 1, eIoT SIM card for data only. First up, we have the eIoT SIM card for data only, priced at just $6.34. What caught my attention here is its promise of reliable data service without the hassle of contracts. If you need a straightforward solution for your security camera, this is worth a serious look. Networks like T-Mobile and AT&T. That means you can keep your camera running without worrying about complicated plans or extra fees. You simply insert the card and it starts working, no activation necessary. This has been bought over 400 times just last month, so people are clearly finding it useful. Now, some people complained about the limited data amount. However, if you're monitoring a busy area with frequent motion, you might want to consider a plan with more data. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy, no-fuss way to connect your camera without long-term commitments. Skip this one if you need a lot of data for continuous streaming. For just over $6, it's a solid value. Now, if that limited data amount worried you, the next one on the list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, eIoT Data SIM card for 360 days. Next up is the eIoT Data SIM card for 360 days, priced at $150.79. What really stands out here is that it offers a whopping 24 GB of high-speed data for an entire year. If you want long-term service without interruptions, this is definitely worth your attention. The SIM card works seamlessly with AT&T and T-Mobile, allowing you to keep your security system online without hassle. Just insert it and forget about it for a whole year. It's been purchased by more than 200 people recently, indicating it's a popular choice. However, some users mentioned that the upfront cost feels high. Here's my take. While it's a larger investment initially, think of it as paying for peace of mind. If you want a camera that stays connected year-round, this plan could actually save you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable data plan with minimal management. Skip this if you're looking for a low-cost option for short-term use. Honestly, for what you get, it's good value for a whole year of service. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a trial period. Product number 3, eIoT Data SIM Card Triple Play. Now here's the eIoT Data SIM Card Triple Play priced at $8.79. Right off the bat, I love how this one offers a testing traffic plan. If you're unsure about your data needs, this is a great way to start. This SIM provides 100 MB of data to test out the service within the US networks. Just stick it in your camera and you can see if it meets your needs. It's also pre-cut to fit any device, making it super convenient. The sales numbers tell me people are willing to give it a shot as well. Some users mentioned that 100 MB isn't enough for extensive use. Here's the thing, this is meant to be a trial. If you're testing out a camera and just want to see how it works, this small amount can be perfect for that initial phase. This is perfect for you if you want to try out a service without commitment. Skip this if you're looking for something to run continuously without interruptions. At under $9, it's an affordable way to test the waters. Now, if you want something with a bit more data right off the bat, the next option is definitely worth checking out. Product number 4, eIoT SIM card for security cameras. Next, we have the eIoT SIM card for security cameras priced at $8.86. Honestly, what caught my eye is its promise of dependable service specifically tailored for security devices. If you want something that works right out of the box, this is worth a look. This card offers excellent data service with 5G capabilities. It's compatible with major networks like AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile, which is crucial for maintaining a stable connection. The online support option also gives you peace of mind, knowing help is available if needed. Some reviews mention that the setup instructions could be clearer. But honestly, if you're tech-savvy enough to set up a security camera, you'll figure this out without much fuss. If you're less tech-inclined, just keep the customer support in mind. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward solution for connecting your security camera. Skip this if you're looking for more extensive customer support options. For under $9, it's an excellent value for reliable service. Now, if you're looking for something that offers more data for a longer duration, check out the next product. Product number 5, Data-Only SIM Card, 15 GB of 4G LTE data. Finally, we have the Data-Only SIM Card, which provides 15 GB of 4G LTE data for $63.35. What stands out is the extensive coverage it offers for a variety of devices, making it a versatile choice. This SIM card is designed to work seamlessly with most unlocked 4G LTE security cameras and other devices. The 15 GB lasts for a full year, which is pretty impressive and gives you a lot of leeway for monitoring. Just insert it into your device and you're good to go, no activation process needed. With a growing number of users buying this, it seems to be a popular choice for those needing more data. However, a few customers mention that it stops working once the data is used up or expired, and it can't be topped off. Here's the thing, if you're using it for a security camera that doesn't require constant streaming, you'll find that 15 GB can last a surprisingly long time, especially with smart usage. This is perfect for you if you need reliable data for various devices without the hassle of contracts. Skip this if you're looking for a pay-as-you-go plan that allows topping up. For what you get, it's a solid option for a full year of service. Now let's wrap things up and recap what we covered. To sum it all up, we've looked at 5 great options for 4G security cameras with SIM cards. Whether you need a quick test with the EIOTCLUB Triple Play, a long-term solution with the 360-day SIM, or something with a solid data amount like the Data-Only SIM card, there's something for everyone here. Remember, your choice should depend on your specific needs and how you plan to use your security camera. Thanks for watching.